Afternoon and welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. You're watching Times Now. My name is Amita Vadva. We'll talk about this controversy that seems to have erupted. Now, the month of Ramzan is drawing to an end. However, there seems to be an alleged iftar party seems to have happened on the waters of the holy Ganga in Varanasi. That has now drawn a sharp reactions coming in from several saints and followers of the Sanatan Dharma, where Mahant Swami Yashvirji Maharaj has strongly condemned this incident, stating that the mere arrest of these individuals who were having an iftar party on a boat on the river Ganga is not enough, where he has demanded strict action again under the National Security Act, the NSA, and the cancellation of all government benefits to the accused and even demolition of their homes. Now, the Varanasi police has already arrested several individuals in connection with the case, but it continues to spark widespread outrage over the actions of these individuals. They're having an iftar party on a boat while floating on the Ganga. Now, this seems to be, as far as the images that are now concerned, several arrests that has been made already on part of the police.
वाराणसी के अंदर मां गंगा के पावन जल में नाव में बैठ करके जिन मुस्लिम जिहादियों ने रोजा इफ्तार किया और गाय का मांस खाया और अपना झूठा और हड्डी मां गंगा के पवित्र जल में फेंके, इन्होंने ये बहुत बड़ा अपराध किया है। और ये
रोजा इफ्तार हो रहा था, हम लोगों को लगा कि भाई ठीक है, रोजा इफ्तार कर रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन बिरयानी खा करके हमारी आस्था, माँ गंगा हमारी आस्था की प्रतीक है और करोड़ों करोड़ों सनातनियों की आस्था के प्रतीक है। माँ गंगा का हिंदू धर्म की ध्वजवाहक है, सनातन धर्म की ध्वजवाहक है। कहाँ से आई हैं, कैसे आई हैं, कितने लोगों को उन्होंने तारा है, कितने लोग आचमन करते हैं, उसमें स्नान करते हैं, कितने दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं। उस माँ गंगा की गोद में नाव पर बैठ करके बिरयानी खा करके उसकी हड्डियों को आप गंगा में गिरा रहे हो और वीडियो वायरल कर रहे हो, हमारी धार्मिक भावनाएं आहत नहीं होंगी?
इससे दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण क्या बात हो सकती है कि भाई इफ्तार कर रहे हैं लोग, अगर बचा कुचा नदी में डाला है तो इसके लिए एक्शन ले लिया जाए, ये तो बिल्कुल ही अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मैं कहूँगा।
Well, Adib is with us on the phone line. Adib, good afternoon. What is being said that the action against the youth is coming at a time when this video purportedly showed them having non-vegetarian food on a boat on the river Ganga and apparently throwing the bones in the river that is considered sacred by the Hindus. So hurting sentiments is something that the charge is now being leveled on them.
Well, certainly, Amita, the river Ganga is a very holy river, and there were a group of people who were doing iftar on a boat in river Ganga, and now this has sparked a controversy with the religious sentiments being heard of crores of people, especially from the Hindu community. They have alleged that these people, they were consuming biryani on board on a boat in river Ganga, and after this, a complaint was given to the Varanasi police, taking note of the complaint and the video that has went viral on social media. The Varanasi police have taken action. Several people, those who were seen in the video, they have all been arrested, and a probe by Varanasi police has been launched into this case, Amita.
All right. Well, the developments as such, when it comes to the arrests that have been made already, but the sentiment really is going across that Ganga being a sacred river for the Hindus, and such incidents that will not be tolerated as far as this complaint that has been filed, because many of the Sant and Mahants are now coming out to saying that strict action should be taken against the guilty. Let's get you this ground report coming in from Assi Ghat of Varanasi.
ये बहुत ही शर्मनाक बात है और हमारे साथ नहीं, हमारी आस्था और भक्ति के साथ खिलवाड़ है।
ये हमारे आस्था के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं और हम हिंदू इसको कभी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे। इसके खिलाफ अच्छे से कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। गिरफ्तारी हुई है, आगे देखते हैं क्या करती है प्रशासन इसमें।
कष्टदायक है उस प्रदेश में जहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री स्वयं योगी हैं, महाराज जी हैं, तो कम से कम हमारे धर्म क्षेत्रों की, हमारे तीर्थों की शुद्धता बरकरार रहे, क्योंकि जहां हम आचमन करते हैं, जहां हम स्नान करते हैं, जहां अपने शालिग्राम ठाकुर जी को रखकर इसी गंगा जल से, अभी मैं शालिग्राम जी के लेकर आया कि गंगा जल से उन्हें स्नान करवाऊंगा, तो तीर्थों की यदि शुद्धता ही नहीं रहेगी तो हम इस देश में बहुसंख्यक रहकर भी यदि हमारे धार्मिक हित, यदि हमारे धार्मिक मत सुरक्षित नहीं रहेंगे तो कहाँ रहेगा।
So sentiments of the Hindus are being hurt. That seems to be the very charge that has now been leveled post these youth who have now been arrested on part of the police over there. Adeep, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.